All right, now we'll go ahead and set this off and we'll work on this little actuator. This goes on the switch. So we'll get that down there, you can see that. And this unit that was on the back was actually the switch for the gun. And this is the actuator. Runs up and down. And it looks like it's just clipped around that little metal spring right there. So we'll go ahead and I think we can just push that off. Spread that a little. Work that out from underneath there. Just like that. So you can see the difference there. See, that's got a little deal, and that little fin kind of helps keep the actuator lined up with the trigger. So we'll just set that right back in there. Goes underneath the wire. It snaps over just like that. So that's that. Okay, and these switches aren't available anymore. So if that goes out, then I guess that'll be it for the grinder. So, all right, now we'll go ahead and slip that back on here, make sure I'm lined up on it still. Okay. And the trigger's here and it pushes on it, so that's where you want to put it in, just like that. And this just, there's these little clips, and there's a little bump right there. There's also some connectors here. So let's just put a little bit of this dielectric grease in these connectors right here, just to make sure we keep a good connection. Okay, up, okay, like that. Line up the little clip there. Make sure wire connectors are going in those little spade connectors that's inside there. And just like that. Okay. You can see here in the trigger, gets up to point with. Right here in this trigger unit, that little slot right there, that's where them fins go. One there and one there. And then the end of it goes in that little spot right there. And that keeps the trigger from wobbling around. So set that, kind of roll that right into that. The handle just fits down in there. Should lock still. The trigger works. Locks it. Put on our cord. support there. Line up our cord there in the old slot. Make sure that lock is working there. Put the cord down in a couple of these slots here. So they don't get pinched when we put the other side on. Okay. So everything's laid down in there all nice. We'll go ahead and put this other half on. Closed right up tight. Okay, Torx driver. The handle put back together here. Just got to make sure everything's all lined up and so that the lockout switch works, and then this button back here is the trigger lock, so you don't have to hold the trigger down. We'll give that a test. Hands just don't want to work today. Dropping and fumbling around with stuff. Okay. All right. Let's give her a test drive here. Okay, well, got it plugged in, no sparks. All right. I guess we're good for another 4 or 5 years until it needs repaired again. Sounds really good, no vibration. I don't see any sparks down on the brusher. So, all right, another successful repair. If you like these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up, and you know, if you got some comments on something I could do different or whatever, give me a comment, and subscribe. And I try to get a couple of videos out a month. I'm trying to get down to one a week, but you know, things happen. But okay, there you go. Till the next one. We'll see you later.